So this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So you can see loads of camera here, drone. I take a videos. Let's see. We'll check here the camera. So this is Action 4. It's nice also the Action 4 camera. Look, it's clear. Really nice. This is Action 5, which is what I bought last week. This is Action 5. It's not working because it's dummy product. So it's really beautiful, this camera. Action 4 and Action 5, I like it. And this one, yes, the same. This is Action 4. Yeah, Action 4. Yeah, it's very nice. And this one, the Osmo Pocket 3. Yes, this one, Osmo Pocket 3. The price is tier 5 for 549 pounds. While the Osmo Action 5 is 379. So the price of the drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone is 929 pounds. We are here now in the drone area. So this is dummy product. Yeah, so nice, so cool. But I don't have money for that. I don't have budget for now. If I have money, then I can buy drone. But no, I don't have. So now, oh wow, it's really beautiful, really beautiful. The DJI Mini 4 Pro. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at, and here, I don't know what's the name for this one. DJI Mini 3. So this is the DJI Mini 3, and this one, the Mini 4 Pro. Yeah, so everything is nice in here. Mini 4 Pro DJI Air 3S. So it's nice. 1,239 pounds. It's expensive. So yeah, this is pounds. So here, so we need to turn around. Another one. So this beautiful camera, drone camera, is really beautiful. 921. This is look quite down the price. The other one, the right side, is too expensive. Mini to the max, all-in-one, obstacle sensing. Oh, obstacle sensing. Wow, everything, it's so beautiful. DJI Mini 499. So it's the price little bit down this area and by the left side. So this one, all is one, the drone. DJI Mini 2 379. And this one, I don't know, was it? Is it the remote? Okay, and here, which one? This one. Okay, DJI one. Oh, this is expensive. Yeah, this is the expensive one. And then in here, Osmo Action 4. Yeah, I came back already. Or Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah, this is very sensitive camera, fragile camera. The gimbal is so fragile. Yeah, this is the expensive. Yeah, it's still expensive. Osmo Mobile 6, the gimbal. Look, it's nice. Yeah, you can use that one for mobile phone. Yeah, it's nice. How much is it? 85 pounds. So it's almost $100. So this is the Hero GoPro, the camera GoPro Hero 11 block. So everything is here. Okay, Hero 13, Hero 12, and yeah, this one dual battery. And here the gimbal. No, it's not gimbal. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the drone Mini Pro, everything is here. The Action 5, I'm coming back again for the Action 5. So 409, the Action 5. And here Action 4. Action 4 is here. Still they are the same Action. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Yeah, this is the Mobile 6, not there. Out of stock. And this is the Go 3 Ace Pro. So yeah, it's nice also, the Ace Pro. How much is it? 319. Oh, it's not too expensive. 299, the Ace Pro. And this one, the S4. Oh, the S4, this one. Okay, and stat 360. It's expensive, 424. It's the same price for the GoPro Action DJI GoPro 140. Yeah, I'm here in the Carry Spacey world. This is the this is all is here. Blank. Everything is here. So that's it. I don't take more videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe, click like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, and have a nice new year and happy new year to you all who is watching my video. Thank you so much.